In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan with Amazon app. We will use the Amazon shopping app feature called Amazon Lens so you can quickly look up products without typing their names. Start by opening the Amazon shopping app on your phone. When it loads, you should see the familiar Amazon home screen with the search bar along the top and your usual recommendations below, like recent items you browsed and deals. Make sure you are using the official Amazon shopping app because that is the one that has Amazon Lens built into the search bar. Now look at the search bar at the very top of the screen and tap the small camera icon inside it. This is the Lens icon. As soon as you tap it, the app switches away from the home feed into a camera-style view with a live preview from your camera and some options near the bottom. If you do not see this camera view, tap the icon one more time to be sure it registered. If the app asks for permission to use your camera, allow it. You will see a system pop up with buttons like Allow or Do Not Allow. Choose Allow here so Amazon Lens can actually see what you are scanning. After you accept, the camera view opens fully and you should see whatever your rear camera is pointed at, usually your desk or hand. With the camera open, select the option labeled Barcode on the screen. Depending on your phone, this might appear as a button or a text label near the bottom. When you tap Barcode, the app focuses on reading those black and white barcode lines rather than trying to recognize a whole product. You might also notice a small frame or guidance box in the middle of the screen. Point your camera at the product's barcode until it is recognized automatically. Move the product so the barcode sits inside the on-screen frame and hold your phone steady for a moment. You do not need to press the shutter button because Lens reads the code as soon as it can see it clearly. When it works, the camera view disappears and the app jumps straight to a product result. Amazon will then display the product page with the title, images, price, and customer reviews, along with similar items shown further down. You can scroll to compare sizes or package types and tap any similar item if the first match is not exactly what you have. A common beginner mistake is to back out too fast, so give the page a second to load the image at the top. If the item you have does not include any barcode, you can still scan it using the camera. Open the Amazon shopping app again so you are back at the main screen with the search bar at the top. Tap the same camera lens icon in the search bar. The camera screen appears again, ready to identify products by how they look instead of by barcodes. At this point, you can choose between taking a new picture or using one you already have. Choose either Take Photo or Upload Photo on the camera screen. Take Photo lets you snap a fresh image, while Upload Photo lets you pick from your gallery. This choice appears as large buttons at the bottom, so they are hard to miss. Point the camera at the item or select an existing photo if you picked Upload Photo. Try to fill most of the frame with the product and avoid heavy glare or blur. Once you take or select the photo, Lens processes it for a moment, then shows a list of matching or similar products on Amazon. Amazon Lens will now search for exact or similar products, showing pictures, names, and prices you can scroll through. Today you learned how to scan barcodes and real-world products with the Amazon shopping app to jump straight to matching items and similar options. So if that helped you find what you need faster, give this video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Amazon tips like this.